Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get up to $10,000, and this is going to be within a credit card. But guess what? They are not going to check your credit score at all. So if you guys have bad credit but you still want to get a credit card, definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to do it. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you ever have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below in the comments. I talk about credit cards, I talk about how you guys can build your credit, I also talk about real estate. I help people actually get into their dream home. So if you guys ever need help, make sure you guys go ahead and schedule a call, or like I said, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I can go ahead and answer any questions that you may have. Now let's get right on into this video. Now I made a video about this credit card previously and I put this credit card within multiple videos that I have, but I figure it's 2022. I need to make another video. I need to help you guys understand these new things that's going on with these different credit cards, so that if you guys have problems, you can just report back to this video and let me know in the comments and I can answer them for you. So I want to talk to you guys about the Tomo credit card. So this is a credit card that can actually approve you for up to $10,000, you guys, without a credit check at all. Now I really like this credit card because they like to pride themselves on not charging any fees. So I really like that. So you guys are not going to have an annual fee. So you don't have to worry about that. And like I said to you guys, you don't have to worry about them actually looking at your credit reports at all, because they're going to actually look at your banking history. So depending on your banking history, they're going to let you know exactly how much they can approve you for. But you can go right to their website and they'll be able to tell you, hey, we can approve you up to $5,000. They'll let you know how much they can actually go ahead and approve you for. Now you guys are actually going to get rewards with this credit card. So I really like that. You guys are going to get 1% cash back. And if you guys actually refer your friends to Tomo, you guys can even get more cash back. So definitely make sure you use your referral link and go ahead and refer your friends, because you guys can get more cash back. Now I got approved for this credit card, I would say like 2 years ago now. Yes, it was 2 years ago, and I never used my credit card, but they did report to the credit bureaus. So you guys can definitely understand that they are going to report to the credit bureaus, which it can boost your credit score. I'm not sure that they reported to all 3 credit bureaus, but understand that you can possibly get them to report to a few credit bureaus. I'm not sure of all 3, but you guys can still get approved for up to $10,000 for those people that's like, forget them reporting. I don't want them to report anyway. I need to use the money, because you guys would actually get that credit. Now a lot of people said that they was actually able to get approved for this credit card. Now some people were having problems getting this credit card because of their banking history, and I know that's kind of bad. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, Rickita, my banking history is not that good. But if your banking history is good, meaning you guys are not having overdrafts, you guys are actually getting direct deposit from your job or your business or wherever you have money coming in, you want to make sure you just have money coming into your account, and then they're actually going to look and see that you have that. That's a good thing. And make sure too that you guys don't just make sure you have something sitting in your account. I always tell people, show them an account where you don't have a lot of times where you like have a really low balance, you have a high balance, because that's going to help you get approved for a higher limit. And then too, they want to see what type of deposit you have coming in, because with this one, if you get approved for $10,000, as soon as you get that card, you can spend the $10,000, and they want to know if you have access to spend $10,000, could you pay that back? What would that look like? And if you only get $100 in deposits to your account, then you may only get approved for just their $100, because they can give you a limit all the way between $100 all the way to $10,000. So understand that they may, only approve you for a lower amount if you don't have that much money coming in. They don't want to burn themselves, you guys. But if you guys really want to get this credit card because they're not checking your credit, try to see if you can pre-qualify for other credit cards. So I always tell people, try to see if you can pre-qualify for other credit cards that can tell you if they can give you a credit card without actually give you that hard inquiry. And a few of those credit cards, let me go through those now. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover credit card. They can actually pre-qualify you without actually giving you a hard inquiry. so that they can tell you yes or no. If they say that they don't have any offers for you, then you know not to apply for any of their credit cards. If they say that they have offers, then go ahead and get that credit card, you guys, whatever they're offering you, because even their secure credit card, if you have to put money down to get a secure credit card, even if you get that, at least that one is going to graduate in 7 months, which means they'll give you a regular credit card with their money and seeing your money back. And then you can start getting regular increases with them. You can start building a relationship. That's what you really want to do with these credit card companies anyway. And then too, you guys, their cash back credit card, they have it where you guys can get up to 5% cash back. That's really amazing. And on top of that, you guys, they have the 0% APR and they have 5% cash back on their student cards. They're just really good, you guys. So definitely check them out. Because like I said, they can pre-qualify you without actually giving you that hard inquiry. So that's a yes or no. Because a lot of people, they just apply for these credit cards and they don't know if they're going to get approved. So when companies can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry, I got to let you know about that. So I really like that about the Discover credit card. Now, another credit card is the Capital One. A lot of people, especially people who's probably watching this video right here, you probably never heard of Capital One. Pre-qualify for Capital One because they have secure credit cards, they have just regular credit cards, and they have top tier high limit credit cards, especially for those people that like to travel. Like the adventure credit card, you guys, if you like to travel, they have those credit cards for you. But I don't care which credit card you want to get, you get in where you fit in. So if you go to a company and they say, hey, we can pre-qualify you for these credit cards, you decide if you want to get those credit cards. And if you don't want to get those credit cards, you don't have to apply for any of those credit cards without them give you that hard inquiry. Now, if they say that they got to give you a secure credit card, that's probably because your credit score low. Sign up for my exclusive membership. It's $1 to sign up. It's $1 trial. Let's start working to remove them negative accounts you have on your credit reports and also help you get your credit score up so you can get approved for more credit cards. But if you just start with them with their secure credit cards, then you guys will have the option of it graduating to a regular credit card in 6 months, and then they'll send your money back. And that way you guys are going to start building a relationship with them. Your goal is really to build a relationship with these credit card companies and grow old with a few of these companies. You don't want to grow old with all your credit cards. When you start off and you start getting those credit cards that have high annual fees, then those are the credit cards you want to get rid of eventually. But right now, you're gonna, whenever you got them, you want to just keep them for a little while, maybe 6 months, let your credit score increase, and then that's when you want to get better credit cards. But when you get those better credit cards, make sure you don't have annual fees like these companies. Discover and Capital One, they have credit cards that don't have an annual fee. You can keep that credit card. They can potentially approve you for higher limits. And like the next company I want to talk to you guys about, Navy Federal, they can approve you for credit cards $20,000, $50,000. So as you start doing better with your credit, you're upgrading. You're going to higher limits. You're getting better credit cards. You're getting better rewards for your credit cards. So you want to make sure that you're doing what you need to do with your credit cards so you can get approved for things like this. But they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and that's what you guys really wanted anyway, probably when watching this video with the Tomo credit card, because they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now, you guys, I told you about those credit cards. I'm gonna throw you a bonus one. Try out the Apple credit card because they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. I'm gonna make sure I have some other links down below you guys can check out. Go ahead and check out those links for those credit card companies and let me know exactly what you guys are getting pre-approved for or pre-qualified for, or which credit cards is actually coming in the mail because they gave it to you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out these other videos just in case you're trying to see what else is on the channel. And I think you guys should really check out my credit card playlist because that has all my credit cards.